So, whether you want privacy, streaming, or just safe public Wi Fi, the right VPN for your desktop makes all the difference. Today, I'm ranking the 5 best VPN for Windows and Mac, accurate 2026 pricing, features, and a quick pros and cons for each of them, plus coupons and special links in the description of this video. Hi, I'm Vashish Kapoor, your online buddy who reviews SaaS tools and helps you ace whatever you do in the tech space, from privacy to marketing to AI. Quick word before the list: a great desktop VPN comes down to a few things: a native, well built applications for Windows and Mac, a no log policy you can actually trust, fast modern protocols like WireGuard so your speed barely drops, enough servers to get around blocks, and a price that makes sense. Every pick today nails most of these. I'll tell you exactly where each one shines and the single thing I would change. And everyone has a coupon and a link waiting in the description to get you a good discount on all of them. The first one on the list is ExpressVPN, which is the most premium pick, and it usually costs a bit more, but it's the smoothest, most consistent experience of all of the VPN providers out there on this list. Talking about the pricing, the basic plan is $2.49 a month on the 2 year plan, $3.99 yearly, or $15.99 month to month. You get the core VPN features and you can connect 10 simultaneously devices with this plan. And on the advanced plan of ExpressVPN, you it adds an ad and tracker blocker plus identity protection tools and costs $2.99 per month on 2 year plan. And in this plan, you get 12 simultaneous device connections. Then there is Express Pro plan, which also adds a dedicated IP and full identity theft protection for $5.49 per month on 2 year plan. Highest tier offers you 14 simultaneous device connections and you also get dedicated IP for no additional cost. So all plans come with a 30-day money back guarantee. Talking about the features, they've got the in-house lightweight protocol which is fast and really reliable. They have got servers in 105 countries and the most polished Windows and macOS applications in this business. Talking about the advantages, they've got super reliability, built-in speed test tool, blocks malicious sites, and it is excellent for unblocking streaming, dead simple apps, and genuinely good 24/7 support. One disadvantage is that it's the most expensive option out here and you can only get 8 devices per account. So you can use the link and coupon in the description of this video to get the best deal on ExpressVPN. So do not forget to check that out. Second is Proton VPN, which is the privacy purist choice and the only one here with a genuinely usable free plan. Talking about the pricing, the free plan is free forever, gets you unlimited bandwidth, but limited to connect servers in 10 countries only and just one device at a time. And then there's VPN Plus plan, which is $2.99 a month on the 2 year plan, and that's $3.99 a month yearly or $9.99 month to month. So you get full server network and every feature is included. You can choose from 20,000 plus servers in 140 plus countries and you can also enjoy streaming and malware blocker in this plan. The paid plan comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. And talking about the features, they are based in Switzerland under some of the strongest privacy law in the world, fully open source and independently audited apps, secure core routing through hardware hardened servers, NetShield and malware blocking, and a verified no logs policy. Talking about the pros, they have the best in class privacy reputation and free encrypted cloud storage, private inbox, and a real free tier with no data cap. and 10 devices on the Plus plan. You also can use their secure password manager to manage your passwords with ease securely. Talking about the disadvantage, it's a little pricier than the budget picks and the app is little more functional than flashy. The link and the discount code are in the description of this video if you go for Plus plan of Proton VPN. Third is PureVPN, which is the budget champion. If you want the lowest ticker price without dropping down to a sketchy provider, this is it. PureVPN pricing is also 2-year rates. The standard plan is $2.15 a month, which gets you the VPN only. And you get full featured fast VPN that also blocks trackers, billed $58.2 for 27 months, and then it auto renews at $47.95 annually. Then there is the Pure VPN Plus plan, which is $3.15 a month. And this plan also adds a secure password manager. And this plan is billed $85.05 for 27 months. And then it auto renews at $69.95 annually. These are 2-year plans, but you also get 3 months free. So there's also a max plan which is $3.55 a month, and it also adds a privacy manager with dark web and data broker monitoring and data removal services as well. You get unlimited eSIM data in this plan also, and it is backed by 31-day money back guarantee with optional add-ons like a dedicated IP and port forwarding as well. Talking about the features, they've got over 2000 servers across 140 plus countries, which is one of the widest country spreads on the list. Native Windows and macOS applications, WireGuard support, a kill switch, and split tunneling as well. Split tunneling is a very important feature when you have to use it in Windows or macOS. Talking about the pros or advantages, your VPN is extremely cheap and they've got massive country coverage, and you can connect 10 simultaneous devices and an independently audited no log policy as well. Talking about the cons, speeds are solid but not class leading like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. The dedicated IP feature is an add-on for all the plans. None of the plan includes it inside the subscription. So make sure to grab the coupon and link in the description of this video for the lowest price on PureVPN. Next is NordVPN, which is the big name and it earns the name as well. This is the one I would hand to someone who just wants the fastest, most reliable option and no fuss. Talking about the pricing, the basic plan is $3.49 per month and it gets you access to the fast VPN only and a 30-day money back guarantee. There's complete plan which is $4.39 per month on 2-year plan, which also adds email, phone, credit card and national ID SSN monitoring, anti-malware and browser protection, ad and tracker blockers, password manager, and 1 TB encrypted cloud storage. Then there's complete max plan by NordVPN, which is $6.39 a month, and it adds 1 TB of encrypted cloud storage and everything in the complete plan, plus a free dedicated IP as well. Every plan is covered by a 30-day money back guarantee. Talking about the features built on WireGuard is blisteringly fast. A huge network of 7,000 plus servers, polished Windows and macOS applications. Talking about the advantages, they've got top tier speed and independently audited no log policy and 10 devices per account limit. Talking about the cons, the renewal price jumps up sharply once the first term ends. The link and the exclusive discount code are down in the description below, so make sure you click the link from the description to get the best deal on NordVPN. So the next is Surfshark, which is my pick for the best overall value, especially if you've got a lot of devices to cover. Talking about the pricing, there are 2-year rates, which is where the value is. The Surfshark starter, which is $2.49 a month, gets you core VPN features plus an ad blocker and an cookie pop-up blocker and alternative ID feature. The Surfshark One plan is $2.79 a month, which also adds antivirus, a data breach alert tool, and private search. The most expensive Surfshark One Plus plan is $4.49 a month on 2-year rates, which also adds Incogni, which removes your personal data from broker databases, and identity theft coverage feature. When we talk about the pricing month to month, it starts around $16.45 per month. So the long-term plan is the one to grab. There's there is a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. Talking about the features, they've got clean native applications for Windows and Mac OS, the fast WireGuard protocol, clean web ad and malware blocking, a kill switch, and multi-hop for double VPN routing. Talking about the advantages, they've got unlimited simultaneous devices on a single account, which is genuinely cheap and one of the most beginner friendly apps out there. One drawback is that low price is only on the long term plan. The monthly rate is steep by comparison. The coupon and the link are in the description of this video, so make sure you use my code for the best price on the 2-year plan on Surfshark. So guys, these are the top 5 VPN providers I love the most and I use them. Surfshark, which is best overall value and you get unlimited devices in it. NordVPN is the fastest and most reliable all-rounder. PureVPN is the cheapest with the widest country coverage. ProtonVPN is best for privacy and the best free plan as well. ExpressVPN is the most premium and most polished experience. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. Pick the one that matches what you care about the most, and whether that's the price, speed, privacy, or device counts. And every single one has a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk free. All the links and an exclusive coupon for each VPN are down in the description below, and that's the cheapest way to get any of these. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tools reviews, and I will see you in the next one.